Good morning, class.
Good morning, ma'am.
Please stand up for our prayer. Will you please stand up? Okay. First, I would like to introduce to you our co-teacher. I am Elaine Bautista, together with my co-teacher, Miss Kalim Lim, Mr. Bonnie, Miss Cynthia, and Miss Abigail Jacob. First, I would like to call Miss Raven Mata to lead the prayer. Thank you, Miss Mata. You may now take your seat. Before you take your seats, I would like to pick up the pieces under your chair and arrange your chair properly. Okay? First, I would like to check your attendance. If I called your name, please say present. Abraham Rafael.
Present.
Brenda Anna Marie. Bando Mark J. Yata Abigail. Bonnie Lawrence. Kalimlian Mary James. Cynthia Christel. Okay. It seems you have a one absent. Okay. You may now take the seats. Okay. First, before we proceed to our new topic, I would like to ask who can give me a recap of what we discussed last meeting. Yes? Miss Sosado?
The previous topic that we discussed is about ingredients of baking.
Okay, that is correct. Very good. So, since you understand our last topic, we move on to our new topic. But before that, I would like to ask you, I have here some images or photos, and who can give a uses and the name of this photo? First, what is the first photo? Yes, Miss Sosada?
The first photo is a kitchen knife. It is used to chop vegetable or fruits.
Okay, very good. That's great. Okay, the next picture, who can answer or who can participate? No one? Yes, Miss J. Ramos?
So, the second picture is a chopping board.
Yes.
It's used for para mag-cut po tayo ng mga vegetables. Meat po siya.
Okay, thank you very much. That is correct. The next picture, who can? Okay, Miss Sosada, very active student. Okay.
It is a oven. It is used for baking such as bread, cakes, and etc.
Okay, very good. Very good, class. So now, let's now move on to our topic. Our topic for today is cooking tools and equipment. So I will now call on Miss Maria Panamulio to introduce the learning objective. Good morning, class.
Good
Good
morning.
morning. Sure.
I present this learning objective. At the end of the lesson, students will be able to understand the basic rules and into theory. Be identified see, reflect how important of using proper tools. Okay, thank you, Miss Lim. Now, let's now call on Miss India to discuss about the cooking utensils.
Okay, good morning class.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am. I'm teacher Chris Intia. Our topic for today is all about cooking utensils. Just this way.
Okay, next slide. Essential utensils in kitchen to prepare food, serve food, utensils has a specific purpose to say and more efficient from styling, preparing, and using, cutting, and serving. These books have
daw ay ito yung ginagamit kapag tayo ay nagluluto.
Dawa to video
Tools.
Picture
It's a
video.
small handheld
Picture.
tool
Video.
used for food preparation. Common tips and tasks include cutting food items to size, heating food on an open fire or on stove, baking, grinding, mixing, blending, and measuring. Different utensils are made for each task. Yung tools naman is ito yung nahawakan at ginagamit kapag tayo ay nagluluto. Knife. This is used to chop, dice, or mince food. This is the example of knife. Cutting board. This is used when cutting or slicing ingredients. They are made of wood or plastic. So, this is the cutting board. Grater. This is used to separate, grate, and shred food such as cheese, cabbage, and carrots. This is the grater. Example of grater. Potato masher. This is used to mash cooked potato, turnips, carrots, and other soft vegetables. So this is the example of potato masher. Serving spoon. These are used in transferring food from serving dish to individual plate. It is usually bigger in a size than the tablespoon. Yung serving spoon naman is mas malapit sa spoon. Can opener. This is used to open cans and bottle with smooth operation. It has comfortable grip and turning knob. Peeler. This is used to scrape vegetables such as carrots, potato, and cucumber. It is also used to peel fruits. Ito yung peel ng mga fruits, vegetable gaya ng apple, carrots, and potato. Okay? The next slide will be discussed with picture 1.
Good morning, class. Equipment. Equipment are more complicated needs of the chef in the kitchen. This may refer to a small electrical appliances. Ang equipment po ay ang kailangan natin sa kitchen. Ito yung nagpapagana para mas mapadali ang ating pagluto. Refrigerator. This is necessary in preventing bacterial infections from food. Special compartments are provided for meat, fruits, and vegetables to make the moisture content of each type of food. Water has its own compartment to prevent food odor from spoiling its flavor. Refrigerator, ito po yung nilalagay ng mga vegetable, fruits, and other food to long life to extend the shelf life and to prevent no bacterial and spoilage. Oven, over or range. It has a change.